I'm ripping in my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS254 to bring y'all another video. We got a package here. We're gonna be doing an unboxing or unbagging, should I say. Company sent us over a phone case. So this phone case is from a company called SportLink. It's the SportLink 13 Pro Max case, waterproof, full body heavy duty protection cover with a built-in screen protector. So this is what the packaging looks like here. And we're gonna go ahead and get that opened up. A good case is very, very necessary. So this one says it's waterproof, IP8X certified, drop proof, up to 6.6 feet, dust proof, also it's snow proof. It's closed to snow and ice. Here in Texas, we may have to worry about the ice, but definitely not the snow. Alright, so the one that they sent us is blue in color. So as you can see, it's two pieces. See that there. And it's going to enclose the phone like so. So let me see if I can get this installed here. So I'm gonna take off my old case. Alright, got the old case off there. I may have to take off my old screen protect or my old camera protector because I believe it's going to infringe upon the size. So like I said, has a built-in screen protector. And then you drop the phone in like that. Boom. And as you can see, now the phone is in the device. As you can see, if you look very closely, there's spacing around there, and that's more than likely due to the shock proofness. So definitely want to make sure that there's some space there. Then there's an opening here at the bottom where you can plug in the charging port, and then that just seals back up like that to actually waterproof it, so that way nothing gets in, as you can see that there. And then the only thing we have to do here on the front is just pull off our, let me find a small tool. I don't have any nails at the moment. What's up, God? Alright, so I got my little tool here that I'm gonna have to use to get the plastic, or start the plastic from separating here. Separate. Hold on, y'all. Alright, let me try something else. Hold on. Alright, so apparently I was removing it from the wrong side. So that is what you're gonna have to do here. Reach off on the inside. Like that. And then it peels it away. Crystal clear. And pop your phone back in there. Like so. And you are good to go. Put on the back part. And your phone is now waterproof. Waterproof, I would say, I'm gonna say water resistant, because I just don't really believe 100% of waterproofness or water resistant for certain. All right, now before we actually leave our phone in there in the waterproof case, what we're gonna do, we're gonna perform the waterproof test. So as you can see, there's no moisture, no condensation inside, of course, because it's new out the package. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna install the case, seal it, and we're going to go submerge it in water. So seal it up all the way around. Go submerge the case in water, make sure that everything is closed up. The connection on the bottom, like I said, just make sure it's firmly fit all the way around. And we're going to go run some water and submerge it with something heavy that can hold it down. Let's go. All right, so I'm just gonna fill this up with water here. Do the waterproof test. So the directions say for 30 minutes. And then you'll know. It also says do not put the device inside of it. However, this will be a telltale if the case is actually waterproof. Because if it fails, you know, liability thing, you know, maybe they worded it like that for liability. Alright, so that should be enough to submerge our case. And let's get something to hold it down with. Alright, so we're gonna put this right here. I think I saw a couple bubbles, but maybe not. And we'll be back in 30 minutes. All right, so I've just wiped off the case and we're about to open it up here live in front of you so that you can see for yourself if there was any water that got inside. And as you can see, there is none, not one drop. There is a little bit of water on the outside of the seal, but nothing on the inside of the seal. And that's pretty impressive. I am impressed. So if you want a waterproof case, check out SportLink and get your phone case today. So Link to this will be down in the description box below if you're interested in ordering one. There is no code at this time, but the link that I provide will provide a kickback to the channel, and I appreciate y'all's time and watching this video. And until next time, it's your boy LS254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity or procrastination. Gone.